So a few days ago, I received a message from one of you asking how you can block any software from accessing the internet on a PC. I think this person was having an issue with Photoshop or maybe any Adobe tool, or perhaps it could be any app. But this was something I also struggled with for a while before I learned how to do it. Because sometimes you could have this app that maybe you don't want internet access for it, or to save your data, or for any other reason that you may have. And maybe you just feel like you should turn it off. You see, with mobile phone, it's very easy, but with when it comes to laptop, it's kind of complex. So in this video, I'm going to show you in a very detailed manner how to do that. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, I'm Fawaz Yahya, aka FY or FY the icon. If you haven't subscribed before, do go to subscribe, like, and comment. Because trust me, you don't want to miss any of my videos after today. So you head over to your search bar and search for settings. Then you open settings. Then in settings, you search for advanced Window Defender Security. Yeah, Window Defender Security. Sorry, Window Defender Firewall. Then you go to advanced settings. And inside advanced settings, there's inbound rules, outbound rules. You click on outbound rules. See, these are apps that I've already blocked. So I want to show you how you can do yours now. So you click on new rule and select program. Make sure program is the one that is ticked, and next. You hit next, then your program part, that is the particular app that you want to block from data. So I want to block Bandicam. You get it? I want to block Bandicam. So I'll look for the app that Bandicam is. This process kind of took me a lot of time because I forgot the folder that I installed Bandicam into. But I searched, and after a while, I still got the folder. So this is another reminder for you not to give up on whatever you're doing. So you have to be patient with me as I search for the folder. So no, this is not it. So I'll go back and I'll actually search for it. So so yeah, I found the folder and I just clicked on it. I selected and hit open. So what this does is that it automatically imports the path for you. So this is the program path. Then hit next. Hit next. And then you select block block the connection. So make sure that's what is selected and hit next. Then you tick all three, both domain, private and public. Then you name it. I just want to name it Bandicam because it's Bandicam. So I'll be able to notice it whenever I want to undo it. So Bandicam finish. I'll hit finish. Then automatically my Bandicam is can no longer be affected by the internet. So I'll show you where you see. See, if you check my outbound rules, you notice that Bandicam is now there. Even if I refresh it, like I rearrange the view, I can still scroll and I'll find Bandicam. So let's do it now. Let's scroll. InDesign Illustrator. These are the ones I've blocked before. And yeah, there is Bandicam. So in case you have any problem with blocking an app from using the internet, I believe this should be able to help you solve it. So until next time, I remain FY the icon. Don't forget, you can always drop your suggestions on topic you want me to talk about in the comment section. That's it right there. So if you still don't understand or you try it and it doesn't work for you, because that was actually my case, till a friend helped me out, check the description for a screenshot of exactly how you can do this in case you don't understand through the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.